Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name's Alex and today I will show you the basic settings of our Magio circulators. All display functions are easy to operate with a fingertip. Let's have a look at the Magio menu. Here you can choose the submenu settings. In the first section you can select your desired language. 14 different languages are available. For this example, we'll stay with English. Of course, date and time can also be adjusted, as well as the format. Furthermore, you can change the measurement units. For example, temperature from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, pressure from bar to PSI, or the flow rate from LPM to GPM. You can also customize the home screen to your specific needs. I will show you an example. It's possible to set up to 4 different preferred values. These will be shown in your second home screen afterwards. Alex, and today I will show you how easy it is to set the safety settings for your Magio circulator. This is absolutely crucial for safe and efficient temperature control and perfect results. Let's have a look at the Magio menu. Here, you can choose the submenu Adjust Safety, where you will find different safety parameters. With Auto Start, you set the behavior of the unit after switching it on. When Auto Start is enabled, the Magio will skip the usual standby mode and start in Last Set mode, including both pump and temperature set point. Under the section Pump Mode, you can choose 3 different behaviors. Automatic means the pump starts automatically when the Magio is controlling temperature. If the Magio stops controlling, the pump will stop automatically as well. Stopping time means the pump starts automatically when the Magio is controlling, like in automatic mode. But when the Magio stops controlling, the pump has a defined runtime before it stops. Pump Always On means the pump will never stop running, even if the Magio is in standby mode. Further below, you will find the section Set Point Limits. It defines the minimum and maximum temperature values, as well as the maximum output of the pump. Show you how easy it is to connect an external application to our Magio circulators. In this case, we will connect the primary circuit of a glass reactor, which the Magio will then control the temperature of. Let's have a look at the Magio. First of all, you have to switch off the Magio and disconnect it from the mains voltage. You will not need to drain the bath if it's already filled. On the back of the Magio, you will find 2 connections that are closed with an M16x1 collar nut. One is labeled Output and the other is labeled Input. So you know in which direction the fluid will circulate. To connect the reactor tubes, simply loosen the 2 nuts with a wrench in size 19 and connect them with a maximum torque of 3 Nm to the Magio. The output is always connected to the lower connection at the reactor or external recipient and the input to the upper connection. In this way, possible air in the system will be able to escape correctly. To ensure you get the best performance, we offer special insulated tubing in various different lengths. Please make sure not to bend the tubing too much and always keep the specified bending. And today I will show you how easy it is to fill an external application connected to our Magio circulator. If you haven't seen our video about how to connect an external application, make sure to check it out first before you're proceeding. After you connected the external device, connect the Magio to the mains voltage and turn it on. If a signal for low liquid level appears, make sure that the bath tank is filled with enough fluid. Before you press start, check the safety settings to ensure that the correct temperature range is used and that the maximum pressure is applicable for your application. After pressing start, you can hear the pump running and the fluid will fill the jacket of the reactor. Please make sure to keep the liquid level of the bath tank constant and add fluid evenly as soon as necessary. The air will automatically be expelled while filling the system. If the liquid level remains constant, wait a few more seconds before stopping the process. This way, we can ensure that the whole system is degassed. Now, your external application is ready to use. But don't forget to turn on your stirrer. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you, and see you soon.